everybody, it's Neil, and I'm always making, RJ45, Cat 5 wires, Cat 6, Cat 7, whatever, the Ethernet wires. And so this one here is going to give me the ability to do that. I'll show you. This is a whole crimping tool kit here with all the different pieces and parts you need. It comes with this here, which is great for stripping the wires and stuff, and you can kind of rotate around, and then a little tip there will help strip it as well. So I'll just put everything down here, and I'll show you as I go through each things. We have the little cutting tool here. So this one here is another stripper, slightly more advanced. So if you have, you can cut with that. You can do whatever. And the different ones there to strip it as well. We get a wire cutters, which are always handy to have. Definitely good. We get the cable tester. These are always nice too. This one here looks like it's going to be good. And let's open this up. I'll show you this cable tester. Okay. Comes very well wrapped. Okay. And okay. So it's got some instructions for it, but basically, if you've ever used these things before, you put one wire on this side, they come apart. How do they come apart? It's got to come apart. There. So they come apart because this will be at one end way far away, at the junction box, whatever. This one here will be at your desk or wherever it's wired to. You put one end there, the other end in there. So it does RJ11 and RJ45. There's the RJ11 sides and RJ45 sides. And then it'll light up, and the lights will go 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll kind of work its way down. And as long as all the lights are lit, you're making good connection. So that's what you've got. And I guess I'm going to have to put some batteries in there. There aren't any batteries in there right now. It's going to take a 9-volt. I don't have a 9-volt here right now, but I'll go grab one later. But that's the idea of it. And then it's good because it's got the little connector to put it together, so you won't lose it. So it'll be both parts. So very cool. So we have that tester. We have the crimper device. Oops. This is going to be the cable crimper here. So let me open this up. And it's by ZOERAX is the brand. Did I cut it? Yes, sorry. Okay. Yeah, everything says ZOERAX on it, so that is it here. It comes with a couple of extra blades, which is always nice to have if you're doing that. This is a heavy-duty one, so you can see you'll put the this one here. It's got the stripper and all that other stuff built into it too, so you could just have this one piece if you needed to, or you've got all the others. Sorry, my dog's going a little crazy running around. But then we have the ends here. These are the should be RJ45 ends. Here's what the ends look like, and it looks like they're pass-through ones, so you'll put the wires all the way through when you crimp it, and then you'll stick it into the crimping slot over here and squeeze it down, and then it'll make the crimp. So that's good. So you've got that, and then we also had the rubber boots, which is nice to have those too, so then once it's crimped you can slide them over. So hopefully if you're a cabling person you'll know exactly how to use all these things here, but it's totally good to have if you're wiring a new place, a house, going somewhere to help somebody out or whatever. You'll want to have a nice little kit like this, and this one's got everything you need, so totally awesome. You got the tester, the everything, so totally good. Thumbs up for sure.